Hi, this is Rucha.
And I'm here to teach you Sanskrit. Today we will see 9th standard Sanskrit of Maharashtra State Board, and this is third chapter called Dhanyau Tau Datru Yachakau. We have already covered these two paragraphs in first part of this video. Today we will see part 2 of this video and we'll cover these paragraphs. Till now what we have seen is this is Kautsa who wants to give 14 crores of gold coins to his teacher as Guru Dakshina, and for that he approaches King Raghu. Now let's see if King Raghu gives him those many gold coins. Digvijayanantaram Raghuhu Vishwajit namni yadne ashesham dhanam danarupena ayachat. Dik is directions. Vijay is to conquer, to win on something. Anantaram is after. After conquering directions, Raghuhu Vishwajit namni yadne. Now he had performed a yajna. Yajna is sacrifice which is performed. So the name of that yajna was Vishwajit. Yajna is in the sacrifice. Ashesham dhanam. Ashesha is something which is limitless, entire. Ashesham dhanam is all the wealth. Danarupena ayachat. Ayachat is gave. And Danarupena is in the form of charity. In that yajna, King Raghu donated all his wealth in form of charity. Riktahastam Raghum Društva Kautsaha Nivrittaha. Riktahastam is empty-handed. Raghum Društva. Društva is seeing. Okay, Tvantavya, and it is seeing. Seeing King Raghu empty-handed. Kautsaha Nivrittaha is to turn back, to return, like that. Seeing King Raghu empty-handed, Kautsa turned back. Raghuhu tam ahuya agmanasya prayojanam apruchat. Raghu tam is him and ahuya is calling. Calling him. Agamanasya is of coming. Prayojanam is the reason. Apruchat is asked. Okay? Apruchat is asked. So, calling him, Raghu asked the reason of coming. Tada Kautsaha avadat. Tada is then. Kautsa avadat is said. Raghu aham Guru Dakshinartham Chaturdasha Koti Suvarna Mudraha Gurave Datum Ichchami. Aham is I. Guru Dakshinartham is for Guru Dakshina. Whenever you see Artham, you have to take the meaning as for. For Guru Dakshina. Chaturdasha Koti Suvarna Mudraha, that is 14 crores of gold coins. Gurave Datum Ichchami is Datum Adhik Ichchami. Ichchami is I wish. Datum is to give. Gurave is for Guru. I wish to give 14 crores of gold coins for Guru. Now for Guru won't sound good in English, so you will say I wish to give 14 crores of gold coins to Guru for the sake of Guru Dakshina. Then Kintu is but. Bhavan is whenever you talk to someone respectably, you say Bhavan, your respected one, like that. Purvameva is Purvam Adhik Eva. Purvam Adhik Eva. Purvam is earlier and Eva is itself or earlier only. Sarvasva Danam. Sarvasva is everything. Danam is to donate. Akarot is did, but your respectable one have donated everything earlier itself. Ataha is so or therefore. Aham I. Anyatra is somewhere else. Gachami is to go. So I'll go somewhere else. Raghu avadat, that is Raghu said, Hey Kautsa, Tishtha. Tishtha is wait. Mama yajna shalayam vishramam kuru. Mama is my. Yajna shalayam. The yajna is sacrifice and shala is the place where sacrifice is performed, where yajna is performed, that is sacrificial hall. And yajna shalayam is in the sacrificial hall. Vishramam is rest and Kuru is to do. Rest in my sacrificial hall. Aham nishchayena tava sahayyam karomi. Aham, I. Nishchayena is definitely. Tava is your. Sahayyam, help. Karomi is will do. I will definitely help you. Kautsasya guru bhaktya prabhavitah raghuhu kuberam akrantum sankalpam akarot. Kautsasya guru bhaktya is by guru bhakti of Kautsa. Guru bhakti is devotion towards Guru, devotion towards the preceptor. Prabhavitah Raghuhu is Raghu who was very much Prabhavita. Prabhavita is impressed. Raghu who was impressed by Kautsa's Guru Bhakti, that is Kautsa's devotion towards Guru. Kuberam akrantum is Kuberam adhik akrantum. Akarot is did and Sankalpam is to decide something. Raghuhu Kuberam akrantum is to attack Kuber. Sankalpam akarot is decided. Raghu was impressed by Kautsa's devotion towards Guru, towards preceptor, decided to attack Kuber. Kuberah Raghoh bhayat आक्रमणात् पूर्वम एव प्रभूतां सुवर्ण वृष्टिम अकरोत्. कुबेरः रघोः भयात् is from the fear of King Raghu, that is due to the fear. Akramanat purvam eva, before the attack itself. Prabhutam is very much. Suvarna vrishtim akarot is Suvarna vrishtim adhik akarot. Suvarna is gold, vrishti is rain, and akarot is did. Suvarna vrishtim is to shower gold. Due to the fear from Raghu, Kuber before the attack itself showered abundant gold. Tat društva santushtah Raghuः kautsam ahuyya sarvam suvarnam tasmai datum echat. Tat is that, društva is seeing that, santushtah Raghuः, santushtah is satisfied. Satisfied Raghu, kautsam ahuyya, ahuyya is calling, sarvam suvarnam, all the gold, tasmai datum echat, datum adhik echat. Tasmai is for him and datum echat is wish to give. Seeing that, Raghu, who was very much satisfied, calling Kautsa, wished to give all the gold to him. Kintu nispruhah Kautsah avadat. Kintu is but, and spruha is to wish for something and to desire for something, and nitspruha is not wish for anything, that is desireless. How was Kautsa? He was desireless. He did not want much of everything, but desireless Kautsa avadat said, Bhoho Rajan, O respectable king. Bhoho is O respectable one and Rajan is king. O respectable king, Aham, I, Kevalam is only, Guru Dakshinartham, for Guru Dakshina, Chaturdasha Koti Suvarna Mudraha, 14 crores of gold coins, Abhilashami. Abhilashami is to desire, to wish for. Okay. O respectable king, I only wish for 14 crores of gold coins for Guru Dakshina. Na vanchami adhikam. Na is not. Vanchami, again wish for, to desire. Adhikam is more. I do not wish more. Raja sarvasvam datum echat. Raja is king. Sarvasvam everything. Datum is to give. Echat is wished for. King wished to give everything. Kintu yachakah, but the seeker. Adhikam ma datum is adhikam, adhik adatum. Datum is to give and adatum is to take. Adhikam is more. The king wished to give everything, but the seeker, adhikam adatum na abhilashat. Adhikam is more, adatum is to take, na is not, and abhilashat is wished for. King wished to give everything, but the seeker did not wish to take more. Anena is by this. Prasanga is incident. So anena prasangena is by this incident. Danashuraha Raghuhu is great donator King Raghu. Tatha nirichaha kautsaha. Tatha is similarly, or here you can say as well as. Nirichaha kautsaha. Nirichaha is desireless. Kautsa cha dvavapi is dvau adhik api. Saketa jananam, that is Ayodhya vasinam krute pujaniyau abhavatam. Abhavatam is became. By this incident, the great donator King Raghu and desireless Kautsa, dvavapi is both of them. Saketa jananam, that is for the residents of Saket. Saket is a place. Ayodhya vasinam, that is residents of Ayodhya. Krute is for. Pujaniyau is worthy to be worshipped. Abhavatam is became. By this incident, the great donator King Raghu as well as Nirichaha Kautsa, desireless Kautsa, both of them became worthy to be worshipped for the residents of Saket or residents of Ayodhya. They became respectable for the people of Ayodhya. We will solve the exercise in next video. That's it for today. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, click like, share it with your friends and please do subscribe. May God bless you. Shubham Bhavatu.